So okay guys, today we're gonna transfer market's just fucked. We're gonna be opening packs. We have 4 packs there. We might open 2 more packs, 1.5. I don't know. But we're gonna open the pack. I just wanna say the transfer market is fucked. I don't get it. Then with the consoles, you can actually search players. Okay. So let's get into the pack. I am saying I don't really care where I get it. But we get higher rated pieces and I would be we can get it.
She on the cover fade, and she says my time like flavor. Plus I ain't no way fishing but a beta. Hey, don't live it like flavor. Yeah. Got the chopper with the Mac in the back with the stacks, nigga. Pull up in a new car. Long nose about the flow, nigga. Pull up out the dough, nigga.
It don't shit the best part, and that's the shit I don't like.
Been a hunter and a gunner and a stunner, nigga. Getting money representing uptown. Big B's with a few C's. For the money, it'll be your own people.
To show the only the
big matching with the OV. Backyard with the young nigga low key. 5 stars, nigga ball like a real G. New cars, nigga serving like a 10 a key.
But yeah,
got a meal in them ditches. Fucking niggas, bitches. Iced out, fully low. 100 mil still flipping. Check a nigga digits, make a young nigga gun blow.
Messi, I would've hit Messi.
Hot nigga, don't stop.
I would've hit Messi.
Big money nigga gon' pop.
Yeah, that's a surprise.
One stop, get your life took. Big money bitches gon' love.
I haven't hit Ronaldo.
Flash, class.
I have hit.
For the money we dash. Fuck, pass. How we did it out last. Couple Rolex, I Rolex, and I pull up on that little nigga. But flex a nigga, know that it. Well, y'all heard that I'ma pour it. I like my way, then she know that she the bond, nigga. Load it, say it. And they bitchin' know they fucking and they suckin' when they get inside that bed with me and me. And she fucking if I say so, plus she suckin' if I say so, and she love it if I say so. If we fuckin', we gon' pay them. I fuck em, gon' buy it from pay them. Come on, we later. I'ma spread that pussy out like an acre. She on the cover of Fatal, and she says my time like flavor. Plus I ain't no way fishing but a beta. Ain't no living like flavor. Tell the bitch I'm coming over 3 a.m. So she better have a motherfucking clothes off. Wanna meet 3 of them, you know that I'm pimp, drip, booted up. I ain't about to doze off. Little nigga, you a shrimp, walk with a little, I ain't have sale, word to bitch, clothes off. Lord shit that made me sleep in Lil Zan, Lil Perk shit. All these drugs got me throwed out. I love my bitch, I can't go without. Wanna give them signal, sunflower. Got strong demons, the boiler, just like. Ain't trying to be what you want no one night. Talking about what done. Put up with that nigga bitch in the car, and then her baby daddy wanna fight me. That punk man make it jump, man. You would think his ass was sponsored by Nike. Every little kid idol got more verse than the Bible. The lifestyle I live here priceless. Pull up on your head like a diamond. Gripping on my neck like Michael. I see shit before it happen like a cycle. Get your bitch going that broke her around me. And me and Thug still on the run, so fuck your bounty. I love my girl so much that money I let her count it. Couple Rolex, I Rolex, and I pull up on that little nigga. But flex a nigga, know that it. Well, your heart that I won't pour that up like my wedding. She know that she the bomb, nigga, load his head. And they bitches know they fucking and they sucking when they get inside that bed with me and me, and she fucking if I say so, plus she sucking if I say so, and she love it if I say so. Then we fucking, we gon' pay them. How the fuck I'm gon' buy it from pay them? Yeah, nigga, yeah. I'ma come a week later. I'ma spread that pussy out like an acre. She on the cover fatal, and she says my time like flavor. Plus I ain't no way fishing but a beta. Ain't no living like flavor. Call your bitch and tell her I need some mechanical work. Plus she made me stand out like a ruler. He didn't know I don't got all my strolls. I'ma pull up on lil' mama with the dude off. Hey, I'ma treat myself and buy myself a rolling and then walk into a party full of cool guys. Oh, this just might be an interesting white tee. Yeah, nigga, this a crew cut. Crew cut. Mama say I'm crew cut. On that G-Tech, pop for me, ooh, it. And she come and let me ride like Uber. Then I tell her mama how to ride it smoother. Baby girl, give me clues, no blues. Her love, the body right by the Buddha. Baby, all on my Insta, no tuition. Ain't leaving me when she go to school up. Getting drunk, look, I'm a diving. Gotta ride around with me, make it play. Make her feel like I got ties in it. And I'm sorry, I'll say your lady. Fuck bitch, don't know, try to play me. But I'm sorry, I'll fiend your baby. First time seeing a real nigga make it. Sitting at the top, I'm bored, no neighbor.
If you like it,